This recipe calls for 4 lamb chops. The dry seasonings of garlic, salt, ground pepper, Montreal steak seasoning, and ground cumin, as well as dry rosemary. The wet ingredients are 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 freshly chopped cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And first, you would evenly spread the dry seasonings on both sides of the lamb chops after they are rinsed off and patted dry with paper towels. Just make sure that the seasonings are evenly distributed amongst all the lamb chops on both sides. And once done, you take a Ziploc bag and put your wet ingredients, seasonings, into that bag. The olive oil, the chopped garlic clove, and then of course you would just put those lamb chops into that Ziploc bag and shake it around, wiggle it around until all the ingredients are spread evenly amongst all of the lamb chops. I had forgotten to put the balsamic vinegar in, so halfway through doing that I had to add my balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon. After that, you put it into the refrigerator. I let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. In this case, I let it marinate all day, and you can see the difference there. They're well seasoned and marinated, which makes for good flavor. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees for at least 2 minutes, and then put them in the air fryer. Let them cook for 7 minutes before taking them out and turning them. And then after you take them out, you can see how they look there. Just turn them around so that it can be evenly crisp on both sides. Or the brownness, I like to have the same type of brownness, so I turn them around. And then you put them back in the air fryer and let them cook for another 7 minutes on 400. So a total of 14 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit is what will get these cooked properly. So once you take them out, you will notice the aroma just smells up the entire house. And voila, you have perfectly cooked lamb chops. For this particular dinner, I paired the lamb chops with Mediterranean vegetables and crab cake, and a side of ghost pepper ranch for the crab cake. And it turned out to be pretty delicious. I'm also going to show you after I partially ate, that way you can see the inside, how it's done perfectly inside of the lamb chops. You can see the texture and the doneness of the lamb chop. So there you have it, perfectly seasoned and cooked lamb chops.